Hey, welcome to Meverse Education. Today, we'll look at the product property of exponents. So, let's get into it. All right, the first one we're going to do is 8 squared times 8 to the third power, or 8 cubed. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these exponents and split them up into multiplication. 8 squared is 8 times 8 times 8 cubed, which is 8 times 8 times 8. So overall, we have 5 8s that we multiplied, so 8 to the 5th power. All right, let's look at this a different way, okay? We have 8 squared times 8 cubed, but in reality, what we can do is say, hey, I have 2 8s here, I have 3 8s here, and they're all being multiplied. So I have 2 plus 3 8s, so overall, I have 5 8s. 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, these are both saying the same thing. They both work. This method over here works well, but it can take a long time to do. This method here is a lot faster, but you have to be very careful, especially when you start having different properties of exponents involved on what you're doing. So, figure out which one works for you eventually. You're going to want to be able to work with this one up here very efficiently, because you're going to have a lot of different pieces that you're going to be working with. Okay? So, let's go look at a different example. Whoa, so many 3s! What? Alright, no worries. We got 3 to the 4th power times 3 to the 7th power times 3 to the 6th power times 3. Okay, these are all the same base of 3, which is nice, because then I can just do that whole 3 raised to the 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1. Where'd that 1 come from? Well, it's red, so it probably goes with that 3. Oh, because it's 3 to the 1st power, because there's only 1 3 right there. Okay, that makes sense. So I add all those up, I get 3 to the 18th power. That's going to be a really big number. All right. So let's look at another example. 7 to the 8th power times 7 to the 3rd power times 5 squared times 5 to the 15th. All right, these are some different bases. We got to be very careful, that means, when we're trying to simplify this. I can only combine the base of 7s, and the base of 5s. They have to be the same bases in order to combine them. So I got the 7s, which is 8 and 3, and I have the 5s, which is 2 and 15. So 7 to the 11th power times 5 to the 17th power. All right? That's the property of products with exponents. Okay? So if you want to see more examples like this or see what we're up to at Meverse Education, visit us at meverseed.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.